Students, we'll discuss the first reaction, whatever we discussed last time. There are four reactions I said. Uh, Direct combination reaction, double decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double decomposition reaction, right? So now we are going to learn about each reaction one by one once again in detail. I have already said you whether two or more than two elements or compounds, sometimes two elements, sometimes two compounds, sometimes one element and one compound can combine. Okay, in combination reaction, sometimes two element, sometimes two compounds or one element or compound may combine to give you a new single substance, and such is known by the name direct combination reaction, also known by the name synthesis reaction. So these are those reactions in which two or more elements combine to form a new compound, and in our last class we have already written the definition and example of this. And today we are going to see the various example of this. You can see here there are lots and lots of examples. All are combination. You can see here two elements are combining to give you one compound. Two elements is combining to give you one compound. It's a combination reaction. A plus B gives you AB. A plus B gives you AB, where two elements are combining to give you compound. So here sodium and oxygen reacts to form sodium oxide. Calcium and oxygen combines to form calcium oxide. Okay, and this 2 is hanging here, but there is no 2 out here. It's because of valency. Then you can balance it. Okay, now here you can see again, this is A, this is B, combining to form AB. So C plus O2 give you CO2, S plus O2 will give you SO2, P plus O2 will give you P2O5. It's all these numbers are coming because of valency, right? So two element combines to form a compound. So these are the example of combination reactions or synthesis reaction. Now you don't have to learn all of these reactions. Keep this in mind. Just to show you that how combination occurs, I have shown you between elements and elements. Now we'll see the combination reaction between element and compound. So this is your compound, carbon monoxide, and this is your element, oxygen. So when these two combines, we get CO2. Similarly, sulfur dioxide is a compound, oxygen is an element. When these two combines, we get SO3. So again, this is A plus B gives you AB, A plus B gives you AB. So these are also combination reaction where elements and compounds are combining. Now we will see another combination reaction where compound and compound will combine to give you a single compound. So this is A, this is B, will give you AB. So sodium oxide combines with water to give you sodium hydroxide. Calcium oxide plus water will combine to give you calcium hydroxide. Reactions no need to mug, but do remember this is acting as A, this is acting as B, so this becomes AB. So it's a combination reaction. So in exam, if I give you, I may give you any other reaction, but you have to identify whether it's combination reaction, whether it's direct combination reaction, whether it's synthesis means same, or decomposition, or it's displacement or double decomposition. Okay. So here now you can see again, this is acting as A, this is acting as B, and you're getting AB. A plus B, AB, A plus B, AB. So these are the example of combination reactions where compound and compound combine to give you a new compound. Here compound and compound is combining to give you new compound. In this case, compound and element is combining to give you a new compound. In this case, element and element is combining to give you new compound. That means, students, combination reaction does not mean that only element and element to combine to give you compound, but sometimes compound and compound may combine, sometimes compound and element also combine. So remember the definition of combination reaction with various examples to identify which reaction it is. Hope so you all understood.